Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to record with your front camera and back camera at the same time. Yes, this video is for those who love to create videos with their phone. But unfortunately, most of our phones stock camera is not support recording front camera and back camera at the same time. If we go to the videos and start recording videos, it's not possible to switch between the cameras at the same time while we are recording. Then here is the solution. Go to the Play Store and you will find Flipcam. Flipcam is a video recorder app. If you go to the screen setting, here you will find the flashlight option. You will get toggle audio recording for videos. You can also zoom and zoom out, increase and decrease the display brightness. While recording, you can see the time consumed for video being recorded, and most important thing, you can switch between front and rear camera during video recording. You will find a button to stop recording and you will find a pause button. Pause your recording. Here you also find the file size of the recorded videos, and you can enable or disable audio while you are recording. You can also take photos with this app. In photo screen, you can toggle flash on or off while shooting. You can access the setting and you can switch between the rear and front camera. You will find a trigger to take the photo, switch to video mode and open media files. Here in setting, you will find all media files, photos and videos will be stored on which memory you can decide. You can also change settings during video capture, change setting during photo capture. You can check the manual and many more things. Okay, now it's time to check how it works. As I said, this is the rear camera and here is a button to flip between the cameras. Let us, here is a button to audio disable or enable. Here is brightness. You can plus or minus brightness for your recording. Here is the setting button at the top right corner and top left corner is flash. Let's to stop recording. You will find your recording in the bottom right corner. You can delete this, share this, and you can also see this in the gallery. If you want to take picture with this, you can also do this. Let's click a photo. You can also switch between the cameras here. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can capture videos and photos with both rear camera and front camera at the same time. Hope you enjoyed this video. If this video helpful for you, please give a like and subscribe to this channel for more future videos like this. Thanks for watching.